Imagine your local Spokane repair shop suddenly appearing at the top of Google searches overnight. How? AI mode in Google search is rewriting the rules. But here's the twist. It's not just tech magic. America's Best Shops marketing agency is behind this game changer. They unlock AI's power to spotlight these hidden gems in Spokane, making small businesses roar louder than ever. Picture a quiet repair shop transforming into a bustling hub, all because AI pinpoints exactly what customers need, even before they know it themselves. This isn't theory, it's happening now. Shops are getting discovered faster, booking more clients, and booming in ways never imagined. But wait, the story gets better. Customers feel the difference. Trust, speed, and expertise matched perfectly, all tailored by AI insights. It's a win-win revolution, fueled by smart marketing and cutting-edge tech. Are Spokane's repair shops the next big success story? Thanks to AI and America's Best Shops,